لا أقسم بهذا البلد
I swear by this city, Mecca,
وأنت حل بهذا البلد
and you, O Muhammad, are free of restriction in this city.
ووالد وما ولد
And by the Father and that which was born of him.
لقد خلقنا الإنسان في كبد
We have certainly created man into hardship.
أيحسب أن لن يقدر عليه أحد
Does he think that never will anyone overcome him?
يقول أهلكت مالا لبدا
He says, I have spent wealth in abundance.
أيحسب أن لم يره أحد
Does he think that no one has seen him?
ألم نجعل له عينين
Have we not made for him 2 eyes?
ولسانا وشفتين
And a tongue and 2 lips?
وهديناه النجدين
And have shown him the 2 ways?
فلاقتحم العقبة
But he has not broken through the difficult pass.
وما أدراك ما العقبة
And what can make you know what is breaking through the difficult pass?
فك رقبة
It is the freeing of a slave,
أو إطعام في يوم ذي مسغبة
or feeding on a day of severe hunger,
يتيما ذا مقربة
an orphan of near relationship,
أو مسكينا ذا متربة
or a needy person in misery.
ثم كان من الذين آمنوا وتواصوا بالصبر وتواصوا بالمرحمة
And then being among those who believed and advised one another to patience and advised one another to compassion.
أولئك أصحاب الميمنة
Those are the companions of the right.
والذين كفروا بآياتنا هم أصحاب المشأمة
But they who disbelieved in our signs, those are the companions of the left.
عليهم نار مؤصدة
Over them will be fire closed in.